Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can send items to friends or other users in Fish It Roblox. So if you want to help out a friend or trade for something rare, here I'm going to show you exactly how you can send items and fish to other players in Fish It. So what you need to do is just hold the items that you want to send first. So let's say in here I'm going to just give a fish. Okay, let's say I'm going to give Ruby. Let's stop the auto fishing first. Okay, after you hold the items that you want to give, you can just go near to that person that you want to share or give. Like for example this one, you can just here, when you get closer to the other players, you'll see the give option, so you can just click on give and wait until they receive it, and after that it is done. So that's how you can send items or fish and Fish It. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.